Today is Friday and we got NFP report, but it didn't move markets much, so I look at the weekly development of value, and we can see that we've been balancing for 3 days now, and we built some decent volume around 68-70 area. So with relation to previous week, we almost shifted the VPOG, so higher prices being accepted. We don't have good access at the highs. We got rejection from the lows last 3 days, so higher prices are being accepted and lower prices are being rejected. For now, I have two references to the downside. First, most important is going to be top of the gap around 42, and second one is yesterday's low around 55. So until we are within yesterday's range, it is balanced and should rotate either way. And if we can get overnight inventory is net long, it is balancing, but almost 100% above settled, so the late move to the downside is clearly being rejected. Well, it was rejected right before close, so prices are more inclined to go to the upside. So I will be monitoring if we can get either above overnight and yesterday's high to trade higher. Here I have overnight potential targets for this volume profile we've created in the overnight, but those are just guessing game, so they are as good as any other. If we make an excess early on and come back to yesterday's range, I think I can enter short, targeting overnight point of control and yesterday's point of control, then overnight low maybe. If we can get below this area, which is yesterday's, I can call it spike base, but it's this low volume node we've made over the last few days, then there's really good chance that we can either reject or trade back to yesterday's low. I'm not sure if I can short this move. Maybe if we create an impulsive move down and bounce, I could enter shorts from overnight low, but it's going to be around middle of the value, so not that good of a trade. And if we make an excess here, also I would trade at smaller size than for example getting excess from yesterday's low or high. That would be the best scenario. If we get below yesterday's low, it depends if we just move straight down or if we create some structure above it. If we break it with volume building lower, I'd like to enter short on pullbacks, and if we make an excessive move back into yesterday's range, then of course I will be entering longs. So balance within this violet range until proven otherwise.